I'm waiting for the weekly test to go. It's supposed to go off right now. I think they're waiting for WXK to finish its cycle. Yeah, they're waiting for WXK to finish its cycle. Before it does that. Alright.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA weather radio. The preceding signal was a test of this weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, special receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The stations you are listening to and the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. Your local forecast. Today, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers this. It was cloudy. The temperature was 50, the dew point 38. The relative humidity was.
There we go. That was weekly test.